This is the B flat major scale on saxophone. So as you heard, you can actually play the B flat major scale in 2 octaves on your saxophone, starting from the lowest note on the saxophone, going out to middle B flat, and then all the way up to high B flat. And I'm going to teach you how to do this, but in order to make it a little bit easier, we're going to break it up and take the lowest octave first, and then move into the middle to high octave so that you know each fingering. We will be starting on low B flat in this example, and therefore we need to find the fingering for low B flat. And that's the lowest note on your saxophone. And in order to play it, you need to finger 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then your lower pinky, your right hand pinky on the C key down here. And your left hand pinky should be on these plates that you can see here in the front. And you want to press down the button that is the furthest away. And when you do that, you can see that it closes up both these large keys here. So the correct fingering is 1, 2, 3, pinky, left hand, the lowest one. And then 1, 2, 3, right hand, and the pinky on the lowest key there as well. And this will give you that low B flat. Now, you will also be playing B flat in the middle register and in the upper register. And that fingering includes fingering the A and then adding the side key. So you have 3 side keys here, and it's the lowest, the first side key, together with that basic A fingering. This will give you a B flat in the middle register. And once we get to it, this will also be the base for the B flat in the upper register. But so now you know B flat. E flat, that's based off a D fingering, and that's the 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then you use your pinky, but instead of pushing down the C key here, you push down the upper of these 2 plated keys here, and that's for that E flat. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and right hand pinky on the upper key, that will give you the E flat. Okay, so now you know the E flat and the B flat low fingering, and also the middle B flat fingering. So let's walk through each of the notes now within the scale. So starting from low B flat, you will be playing B flat to C to D to E flat to F, G, A, B flat. So let's play that together. So get your saxophone ready now, and we're gonna try this out. One thing with starting on this low note, it can be a little bit of a challenge. So just try it over and over again in case you don't hit it the first time. That's totally fine. Okay, so here's that B flat major scale starting from the lowest note on your saxophone. Here we go. And once you play this upwards, you can also turn this around and start from that middle B flat and play downwards. So let's do that. So it's going to be B flat, A, G, F, E flat, D, C, and land on low B flat. Let's do that. So starting from middle B flat. Here we go. Okay, so now you know how to play the B flat major scale on your saxophone, starting from the lowest note on your saxophone. Now, we're gonna play in the middle register all the way up to high B flat as well. So this is for the second octave. So let's start by walking through the fingerings. So you will be starting on the middle B flat, 2 fingers plus the side key here. So B flat, going up to C, D with octave key, E flat with octave key, F with octave key, G with octave key, A with octave key, and then you land on B flat with octave key. So similar fingerings. One thing to keep in mind is that from the D note, you need to remember to add the octave key here, and that's the key here on the back for your left thumb. Okay, so let's play this together. We're going to start off from middle B flat all the way up to high B flat. Okay, here we go. And finally, let's put this together. So we're going to start from low B flat and play all the way up to that high B flat. I hope you're up for it. This is going to be a little bit of a challenge, especially in the beginning, but it's fun. Get your saxophone. Let's do this right now. Okay, so starting from low B flat, we're going to play all the way up 2 octaves and see how it goes. Okay, here we go. Okay, and now the next octave up from middle B flat. Alright, there you have it. Now you can play the scale, and make sure to download the PDF guide that covers all 12 major scales on your saxophone. There's a link below this video. That way you can work through all 12 major scales on your sax, and that will help you a lot as you continue on your saxophone journey. But that's it for now. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in another video.